Nora Honor back-to-back with Vilma Santos, Kat Den, Eva Darren among 2024 Gawad Dangal awardees. Pararangalan ng Gawad Dangal Filipino Awards 2024 sina Nora Honor, Vilma Santos, Maricel Soriano, Catherine Bernardo, Alden Richards, at biteraan ng aktres na si Eva Darren sa mga kinilalang personalidad sa Gawad Dangal Filipino Awards 2024. Ang Gawad Dangal Filipino Awards 2024 ay taunang pagkilala sa mga personalidad na nakapag-ambag at nakapagpakita ng husay sa iba't ibang larangan na siyang nakaimpluwensya sa kultura, tradisyon, at lipunan ng Pilipinas. Ang Gawad Dangal Filipino Awards ay ginanap sa Sequoia Hotel Manila Bay. Ngayong 2024, nasungkit ni Catherine at Alden ang pagkilalang Most Outstanding Love Team of the Year. Ito ang pangalawang pagkilala sa kanilang tambalan na Kat Den. Habang si Eva naman ang kinilala sa Gawad Dangal Filipino Awards 2024 bilang Most Empowered Veteran Actress of the Year. Back-to-back naman sina Nora Honor at Vilma Santos na ginawarang Lifetime Achievement Award. Ang mag-asawang Marian Rivera at Dingdong Dantes naman ay tatanggap ng award bilang Box Office King and Queen dahil sa pagiging blockbuster ng pelikula nilang Rewind na ipinalabas last year sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Narito ang ilang personalidad na kinilala sa Gawad Dangal Filipino Awards 2024. Best Actress Maricel Soriano, In His Mother's Eyes. Best Actor Piolo Pascual, Malyari. Best Actor Roderick Paul-Ati, In His Mother's Eyes. Best Supporting Actress Alessandra De Rossi, Firefly. Best Supporting Actor L.A. Santos, In His Mother's Eyes. Box Office King Dingdong Dantes, Rewind. Box Office Queen Marian Rivera, Rewind. Most Outstanding Love Team of the Year Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards. Most Endearing Love Team of the Year Bianca Umali and Ruro Madrid. Outstanding Comedy Actress of the Year Pokwang. Most Outstanding Actress of the Decade Aiko Melendez. Most Empowered Veteran Actress of the Year Eva Darren. Best TV Actress, ABS-CBN, Kim Chu. Best TV Actor, GMA7, Raver Cruz. Lifetime Achievement Award Nora Honor and Vilma Santos. Hall of Fame Asia's Most Important Singer, Performer Dulce. Outstanding Actress of the Decade at Remarkable Female Politician Aiko Melendez.